So now let's see how to install custom fonts from the web. So I'm going to go on to my Edge browser right here, just like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for free commercial fonts. So free commercial fonts, just like this. So you can search for free fonts and everything. Commercial fonts are those which you can actually use for any type of project without having to pay them royalty, also known as royalty free fonts. So you can see right here that on the first search you found the font space. So there's the commercial font. Let me just open that out right over here. So once you actually go over here, you can see that these are the list of commercial fonts which can be used. So right now you can see that you can download any one of these fonts right here. So I'm going to download something like Neon. All right, this is Neon. All right, I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm just going to download the font right here. So once you download it, it'll actually be here, right over here, just like this. So I'm going to go over here on to my show folder. I'm just going to show this into the folder. So I actually have my folder opened out right over here. So now I'm going to open this out right here. So I'm going to double click on the, and you'll be able to see the font right over here. So there's the font right over here. It's a zip file which we actually looked at in the previous lesson as well. So let me just double click on this, and this is the font. It actually opens up just like this. The name of the font is Neon. So I'm just going to install this out, and it is installing the font, as you can see. So it has been installed. Now I'll be able to view my font from my desktop. I can close this out. Neon has been installed on my computer, so I can actually go over here onto my personalization settings. Under my font, I'll be able to find Neon. So there, if I were to search for Neon, there you go. Neon font is there. So if I were to actually go over here and change the font size, if I were to type anything, you can see that there's a preview of the font right there. So Neon font is installed. So let me just close this out and open up WordPad, and let's see how that actually works out in WordPad itself. So here's WordPad. I'm just going to change this out into Neon right over here, Neon. So I can change out, I can type it in, and there you go. There's my font right over here. So the new font has been installed. So I can type in something like tube right over there, and there you go. There's my font, just like that. So that is how you can install your own custom fonts from the web inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.